Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Jax, and today I'm gonna be telling you that Dogman is leaving on July 30th, 2026. Yeah, and yes, I'm back from the What's Leaving on August 1st, 2026 removals. Even though I just finished that like 30 seconds ago, but. Okay. And yes, why does Dogman and Captain Underpants have? Why does both the Dave Pilkey movies have to leave? Both Dave Pilkey movies. Or is it Dav Pilkey? I'm just gonna stick with Dave Pilkey. Why is both of them leaving? Why are both Dave Pilkey movies leaving? Well, not both of them at the same time. Well, Dogman's leaving first, then Captain Underpants, the first epic movie. But this video was just supposed to be just for Dogman. But anyway, okay guys, like, subscribe, comment, share, hype the video, and turn on all notifications so you won't miss my videos. And bye guys, see you in the next video. Oh, and I forgot to mute this for no copyright.